Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor M.Hassan.khan, and today we are going to see the lecture number 3 of week 3 of the course Human Resource Management. In this chapter, we have to go through the Strategic Human Resource Management, which is SHRM. This is a short form of Strategic Human Resource Management. This is chapter number 3. This is the main, you can say that this chapter course outline, in which we have to cover strategic management process, HR and competitive strategy, HR performance work system, HR scorecard based on 7 steps. Let's see what is the strategic human resource management is. What's that? Strategic human resource management means planning HR activities in a way that support the overall goals of the company. What's the strategic human resource management is? Means planning HR activities in a way that supports the overall goals of the company. It's not about hiring. It's not just about hiring people. It's about making sure HR helps the business grow and succeed. Let's say again. It's not just about hiring. HR strategic human resource management is not just about hiring people. It's about making sure HR helps the business grow and succeed. Next is, what is a strategy? First of all, we should know what the strategy is. A strategy is a plan to achieve long-term goals. What the strategy is? If someone asks you that what does a strategy mean, you can say that strategy is a plan to achieve the long-term goal. Okay, let's see with the help of example. A company wants to become the top electronic seller in Pakistan. This is example. I've given the example of Pakistan in this in this strategy, that a company wants to become the top electronic seller in Pakistan. We have already discussed this in class. So its business strategy might be like, what's the business strategy? Like low prices, high quality and fast service. It's a business strategy for the company who want to become the top seller in Pakistan. So these are the few strategies that they have to implement to become the top electronic seller. So the HR's job is to hire and train people who can help achieve that goal. So what's the strategy? A strategy is the low price, high quality and fast service. This is a strategy. And for what? To become the top seller in Pakistan. So achieve that goal. To what was the goal? Goal was to become the top electronic seller. So this is known as a strategy. It's a long term. Okay. Next is a strategic management process. 5 simple steps. First step is define the vision and mission. We are talking about a strategic management process. In process, we have to discuss 5 steps. First step is vision and mission. What the mission? Short term, mission, long term. What a company wants to be, example, best customer service in the world. This is the mission, and you can say that because they want to become the best customer service in the world. Set goals. Second is the set goals. For example, increase sales by 20%. 3 new branches. Open 3 new branches. They have set the goal. This is a simple example they're giving. Set goal. A company, if they want to set the goal, for example, they're giving example, increase sales. They have to increase the sales by 20%. And second goal is like open 3 new branches. Third step is, third process is analyze the situation. What the situation? Look at competitor situation. Analyze to whom? Look at the competitors, employees, market. Okay, they have to look about their competitors, they have to look their employees, they have to see the market situation. Number 4 is formulate a strategy. Choose the best plan. They are formulating the strategy. For example, focus on training sales staff. This is a strategy. Number 5, implement and monitor. HR works to hire, train and motivate employees as per the strategy. Implement and monitor. What is the work of HR? Works to hire, train and motivate employees as per the strategy. Okay, these are the 5 steps. Next, moving toward HR role in strategic planning for business function. We are talking about this is the most important slide. HR roles in strategic planning for business function. What is that? This is if the company want to increase their business function, so they have to work on these 4 parts: business function, HR strategic role, sales, hire and train skilled salespeople, cost cutting, use technology to reduce HR cost, innovation, hire creative employees. 4th, customer service, train employees to serve customers better. Next is HR and competitive advantage. Competitive advantage means doing something better than competitor, having some edge, that your product is having something different from the competitor, means doing something better than competitor. Competitive advantage means that HR can give a company advantage by hire better talent. Second is creating a strong culture, keeping employees motivated, reducing turnover, people leaving the job. Means it's a duty of the HR that their company's employee cannot leave the company, so leaving people leaving the job. So what's the reason? It's a duty of HR to understand the employees need, want, and they also want to communicate with the employees. High performance work system, HPWS. High performance work system is a set of HR practice that help employees work at their best. Features of HPWS: hiring the right people, giving proper training, fair rewards, open communication. This is the high performance work system. Last is employee involvement in decision. What the result? Employees are more productive, loyal and motivated. Let's see this HR Scorecard, a tool to measure HR contribution. It contains 7 parts. HR Scorecard helps to measure how HR is helping the company succeed. 7 simple steps of HR Scorecard. First is clarity, define the company strategy. First thing is clarity, which define the company strategy. Second is outline the outcomes HR must deliver. Example, hire 100 skilled workers. This is outline. The outcomes HR must deliver. Number 3 is identity HR activity. Identify HR activities that lead to result. Example, training program. Identity HR activities that lead to result. If example, training program. These are, if there is a training program, so lead to result. Number 4 is measure HR result. Example, employees performance. HR want to measure the result of employees, how the employees are performing. Number 5 is match HR system with the strategy. 5th, align employee behavior with strategy. Last but not the least, which is the improve and adapt HR system. Summary: what we have studied in this chapter is strategic HRM, HR planning linked with the business goal, HR role and strategy helps in hiring, training and planning, competitive advantage, doing better than other using good HR, high performance, a workplace where employees give their best, HR Scorecard, tools to track how HR supports company success. This was a little class activity but this is the end of the chapter. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy a lot and some knowledge is also increased after seeing this chapter. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. You also give some love by subscribing my channel. Give some comments. Also like my video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.